Hello everyone! Welcome to another Shopney video tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn about Shopney's unique in-app chat functionality. In today's world, it is very important for all businesses to be able to connect to their customers real time, and that customers get answers to all their inquiries in a timely manner with regards to the shop's products and services, and also with regards to their orders. That is why Shopney has made this built-in in-app chat functionality totally free across all plans for all our Shopney subscribers. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to your, of course, to your Shopney dashboard and head over to the chat section right here at the top. So when you click on the chat section on your Shopney dashboard, this screen will welcome you. You would need to switch the Enable Now button to enable your chat functionality. So let's do that. You would notice that the settings has expanded, and now you have Enable Chat feature. So let's switch it on. Now, you may notice that there's also this Enable Email Notifications. Basically, this, when it's toggled on, what it does is that your nominated email address will get notified whenever there is a chat that comes to your inbox. Just note that this doesn't mean that you can respond via your email to the chat of your customer in the mobile app. You would have to go inside Shopee dashboard in order to respond to your customer. So basically, the email notification is just notifying you that you have received a message in your Shopee dashboard. Okay, let's get started. Let's click on save, and now your chat functionality has been enabled. So let's go ahead and simulate a sample conversation. So basically, what I'm doing now is I'm going to the Shopee preview app, and I'm going to pretend that I'm a customer and sending my inquiry. Awesome. So as you can see, I have received a chat right here, and what I can do is I can go ahead and respond to the customer and say, order has been shipped today. Please expect delivery within the next 2 minutes. All right, and then what happens is that after I sent that message, the user of the app will be getting your response, and they can see your messages and continue chatting with you. So let me go ahead and respond. As you can see, real time, you see the message or the response of the customer. You can go ahead and end the conversation right now, since based on the exchange, you think that the customer is satisfied and the issue has been resolved. So, and then I can click on End Conversation. Perfect. So that's a complete cycle of a conversation using the built-in chat functionality of your Shopney dashboard and your Shopney mobile app. Just a couple of things that I want to remind you is, once again, once you close a conversation, you cannot send another message. As you can see here, because the conversation has been closed, I no longer can enable the type message section right here. So I cannot send another message out to the customer. I cannot respond back to the customer anymore because it has been closed. Another reminder is that the in-app chat functionality is only available for customer-initiated messages. You are unable to send out proactive messages using the in-app chat functionality. And lastly, do a simulation so that you can test out this functionality on your preview app, so that you can understand better how it works and that you feel comfortable on using this in-app chat functionality of Shopney. Now, if you feel that you want a more sophisticated chat feature in your mobile app, we also have amazing third-party integrations that are available for you, that allows you to connect to your customers. So if you head over to the integrations, you would see that we support Shopify Inbox, Gorgeous, and Zendesk as your messaging, as our third-party messaging partners, which you can install and integrate with. There are a couple of features that Shopify Inbox offer when it comes to responding to your customers, like being able to recommend products to your customers and being able to suggest a particular collection to them. For Gorgeous and Zendesk, as you know, these are very powerful customer service platforms. Integrating to this two powerful customer service platforms allows your customer service team to respond to your customers who are using the mobile app as a channel to communicate to you. So yeah, those are the important things that you need to know about Shopney's in-app chat functionality. If you have other questions, feel free to reach us anytime. We're available to you 24/7. Thank you very much.